In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can publish your Lovable app. First, open up Lovable, then click on all projects and find the app which you want to publish. Now, once within the app, you will see the blue button here that says publish, and you can just click on publish or update as it is for me, and you will get access to your app. Now, if you want to publish it or on the App Store or Google Play Store, what you have to do is go to this website, median.co, and here you can just paste the link which we copied for our app. I just clicked on this button, and then you can click on build your app. Here, this is gonna turn your application into a native app, like I said, so you can upload it to the App Store or Google Play Store. And once this completes, you can click on build and download. And you can get the APK file for the Google Play Store or the IPA file for iOS, the App Store. You will need to sign up here and link your Apple developer account, and then you can click on build and you will get your files. You can directly download them from here. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.